So we've been spending a lot of time these days in webinars, recording webinars, sharing webinars, and these tend to be a little on the longer side. In fact, I was in one yesterday that was 2 hours long. If you're a teacher or an instructor, sometimes you might produce video lectures that tend to be a little bit lengthy. And so what you might want to do is divide these up in order to make them more digestible, more shareable, and so on. Well, YouTube has a new chapters feature which you can actually use to break up your timeline and make the video very easy to navigate as well as to share. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I'm on the SAU Board of Trustees YouTube channel, and this is the webinar that I was talking about that was 2 hours long. Had really good nuggets of wisdom from the SAU president, the two SAU chancellors for the different systems, Board of Trustees, student members, and so on. It was a conversation about race and understanding. In any case, there are a lot of things in here that might want to be easily shared by people who contributed to it, and it's really easy to do. To illustrate this, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and I just uploaded a video yesterday that has 5 persuasive sales tactics in it. If you look at this, then it's easy to break this up into your introduction, tactic 1. I have a sub-chapter here a little bit because reciprocity is part of chapter 1 or tactic 1, but it's a little bit longer than tactic 2, tactic 3, and so on. Super easy to do. This is how you do it. When you upload your video or you edit your video, you will see that in the description area you can write chapters and then use the @ symbol and the timestamp, and what it'll do is break the chapters up for you. So right after you upload, you can actually start watching it, listening, and breaking up the chapters. Okay, so let's say that I want to add a timestamp at 1 minute. Call it test. Click save. Now when I go to my video, automatically there will be a timestamp there for 1 minute. Now of course people can jump to this. What is also nice is if you go to your description and you click on, say, that segment, it'll take you right to it. Click share, start at 1 minute, copy paste it, and now it's really easy to share with people that you want to share it with. Of course, now that you have the timestamps, if you want to download the video or cut it up into shareable segments so that you can put it on other channels like Instagram and so forth, you now have the timestamps to make that possible. So that's how easy it is to add chapters to your YouTube video. If you like this video, please like it and also consider sharing it with others who you think would get value out of it, perhaps somebody in your organization that works for the communications team. I'm Dr. Craig Engstrom, and if you're looking for content on how to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your workflow, then hit that subscribe button. I also share content on instructional communication and training communication. I also provide videos on speech analysis so that you can improve your own public speaking, as well as just videos on how to be a better professional. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.